Welcome to our live broadcast on the hearing aid industry. Today we are at Huizhou Jinghao Medical Technology Company Limited. Let us welcome our guest, Ms. Susan, Sales Manager of Jinghao.
Hello everyone, I'm Susan from Jinghao Medical, a leading hearing aid innovation company in China.
Could you briefly introduce your company?
Jinghao Medical is the first and only listed hearing aid company in China that has passed the US FDA 510K and EU MDR certification. It is located in Huizhou, Guangdong with a construction area of 30,000 square meters and more than 500 employees. We specialize in R&D and sales of hearing aids such as OTC, Bluetooth-enabled, programmable, and AI-driven hearing aids.
So your business focus is to providing OEM service to your partners, is that right?
Yes, our clients include global brands, wholesalers, retailers, or hypermarket like Walmart and e-commerce platform Amazon.
How competitive are your pricing and minimum order quantity?
At present, we have products in multiple price ranges to meet the needs of different customers. Under the process of ensuring the quality of our products, we have significantly reduced the cost of products through strict production supervision and the use of automatic production lines. Therefore, we are very confident that compare with the same price products of our peers, our quality is better and can bring a better experience to customers. The minimum order quantity for a new partner is from 200 to 1,000 units, which can be flexibly adjusted according to the corporation situation.
How many production lines and quality control systems do you have?
We have 10 production lines, more than 200 technicians, and a monthly output of more than 1,050,000 units. We have a 35% quality inspection team and use more than 50 advanced test equipment to ensure that the products are flawless.
Okay, could you introduce to us the company's hot-selling products and new products in 2025?
Sure, let's start with our best-selling products. This is A70BT, ultra-discrete CIC design, complete in channel, virtually invisible when worn, top medical-grade hearing composition with IP53, thus water resistance. Fast charging and long-lasting battery life, budget-friendly, but price at $32 to $35 US. The next one is DW3F. It is one of the first smart hearing aids in China to obtain the US FDA OTC 510K certification. It adopts great air behind design, is comfortable to wear, can be used for wireless hearing tests through app, and can be customized according to personal needs with one click. It can be connected to mobile phones, tablets, or TVs via Bluetooth to quietly enjoy a personal world. And it is IP65 grade, thus waterproofing and durable as IP, silicone injection process construction. And the next one is, this is a programmable hearing aid, DW2A, that use hearing loss wireless built-in software. The key features: directly audio streaming. Latest Bluetooth tech enables critical clear sounds, hands-free calling, and media streaming, music, videos, podcasts up to 30 feet. Advanced DSP, digital signal processing. Enhance noise reduction and clarity to amplify preferred sounds while eliminating distractions. 4 sound programs, customizable setting for diverse environments, for example, quiet moments, social gatherings. And another feature is 72 hours in duration. Rechargeable battery with a portable charging case provides 3 days of use on a single charge. Finally, our flagship products, Premium Mini CIC Hearing Aid. Very small. Invisible design, dark gray design like a mini earbud for ultimate stealth. FDA 510K approved OTC self-fitting device with volcano CIC placement. IP66 dust waterproofing rating withstands harsh environments. Battery life, 60 hours of continuous use, extendable to 48 hours with the charging case. Smart apps integration, iOS and Android. 5-tone setting for music, streaming, and hands-free calling. We also have many new products that are currently selling very well on major e-commerce platforms. These new products are stylish in design, cost-effective, and come in a wide range of categories. If you are interested, please feel free to contact our business manager directly for consultation.
Do you have a 2025 products catalog for viewers to review?
Absolutely. Please contact us for the latest catalog.
Okay, thanks. Can you give us a virtual tour of your facility?
Of course. Let's watch the video showing our factory and production areas.
Okay.
Jinghao Medical is a leading Chinese hearing aid enterprise situated in the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area. Since its establishment in 2011, Jinghao Medical Technology Company Limited has grown from a small, dream-driven company to a leading force in China's hearing aid industry. Our industrial park, covering 100,000 square meters, has an annual production capacity of 10 million units. This success is attributed to our significant investment in research and development. Jinghao is equipped with a cutting-edge laboratory complex that includes audiology, acoustics, and quality control labs, ensuring stringent quality standards from R&D to shipment. This ensures that every hearing aid is safe, reliable, and effective. In 2021, Jinghao Medical achieved a milestone by going public, becoming the first listed company in China's hearing aid industry. That same year, we were honored with the title of Little Giant Enterprise at the national level, recognized for our specialization, precision, and innovation. In 2022, Jinghao successfully achieved mass production, delivery, and application of our independently developed chips. We are committed to using MindChip to make Jinghao's products accessible to more users worldwide. In 2024, Jinghao became the first hearing aid enterprise in China to earn the prestigious EU MDR certification. Moreover, the acquisition of IntriCon-Incorporated's hearing health business in the US has enhanced Jinghao's competitiveness in the industry's high-end market. Today, Jinghao has secured over 10 professional medical certifications across Europe, America, Japan, South Korea, and Asia Pacific, holds over 100 patents, and serves over 10 million users with hearing loss. Our products and services reach over 90 countries and regions, serving as a warm link to the global community.
15年的发展专攻于助听器领域，从传统的模拟助听器到现在快速发展的数字助听器，Jinghao的产品和服务不断在迭代升级。从 ODM 到自主品牌，Jinghao的品质和服务不断在夯实。从代理商到自建渠道门店，我们与客户的距离也越来越近，倾听用户的声音，感受听损人士的痛点。Jinghao数百名高级研发人员和听力师一直在全力以赴，辛勤付出。
Hearing clearly, hearing well, hearing with ease. Jinghao Medical makes communication more better.
中国人在很多行业都惊艳了世界。15年来，金好一直在做一道证明题，证明金好可以，中国助听器可以。秉持着正心正念经营，以产业报国的心愿，让人们的生活更幸福、更美好。
In the passage of time and the vast expanse of technological advancements, we, as a proud Chinese brand, are using the brush of technology to paint a brighter future for those with hearing impairments.
今好更好，耶！今好更好，耶！今好更好。
Welcome back. We hope you now have a clear understanding of Jinghao hearing aids. If you have any questions or partnership inquiries, feel free to reach out. Our regional business managers are here online to assist you. Thank you for joining us, and goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.